What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there on this Money Monday? I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, you already know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back to Money Monday, guys. It's time to get in the groove and let's make this money. All right, I want to show you guys a 3-step system in which you can earn instant commissions any way you want. Okay, up to $300 per day. All right, check it out. I'll be back, but my link is to check this specific program out. It's www.thecopypastemethod.com. Hang with me. I'll be back momentarily. Let's go.
Even if you're a complete newbie, the super simple step-by-step process for making commissions that creates a life-changing income online using proven, high-converting pre-written templates, making it simple for you to earn instant 100% commissions and change your financial situation for good. Remember wanting more out of life? Imagine what it would be like to skip the learning curve, cut straight to the front of the line, and start making 100% commission sales. Wake up to new orders flooding your inbox. No longer worried about how you're going to pay bills or put food on the table. Quit your boring day job. Give up the rat race and start leading a life you love instead. Stop wasting money on shiny objects, collecting tools and learning skills that don't work. Have more money in the bank to pay your bills, take a vacation, or build your business even bigger. Now imagine what it would be like to accomplish all of those things. Because you can, with this proven method for making real money from home. In fact, you can start or further your money-making journey with this direct sales opportunity that sells in-demand internet marketing training anywhere you can get internet connection. Meaning you can stop struggling and start earning payments over and over each and every day. Want an automated business that earns you money? Just post our proven high-converting ads on social media and classified sites like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Craigslist, and the system does the rest. Want a golden ticket to go where you want to go and do what you want to do? Use the same formula that thousands of other internet marketing amateurs just like you are using to become professional players in the game of life. You'll get high-converting headlines and ad templates, 20+ educational training videos, unlimited support access if you ever need help, and all the resources you'll ever need for generating leads and sales in any business. There's no inventory to buy or stock, no SEO, no tech skills to learn, and definitely no cold calling or bugging your friends and family. If you can follow a few simple steps and copy and paste your pre-written ads on the most popular websites in the world like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Craigslist, you can get a tidal wave of free traffic and new sales each and every day. It's incredibly easy to start and use, even if you have no job, no education, no experience, no network, and no confidence. No matter how bad you've struggled in the past, you can succeed in 3 easy steps. 1. Unlock. Choose which membership level you'd like to join. 2. Log in. Access your vault of proven, pre-written ads and training videos. 3. Take off. Copy your ads on sites you use every day like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Craigslist to get paid daily. The entire proven system has been simplified and perfected so anyone can succeed. There's no shopping carts, no inventory, no cold calling, no hosting hotel meetings, no bugging friends and family, and no monthly fees. You'll get the same proven pre-written ads that we use every day, so you never struggle to make money again. 3 ways to get paid to help you take control of your life and finances. Dozens of training videos to ensure you complete each simple step with precision. Live team webinars to help you close your sales at no additional cost. Get paid daily with 100% instant commissions straight to your account. Think about it. Running a profitable online business usually requires years of failing and thousands of dollars just to get started. Skip the failures and frustration and jump straight to the profits. Choose from one of the 3 membership digital marketing training packages. What do you really want to do with your life? Things won't change unless you decide you want them to. Open a new world of possibilities. This is for you if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused. You're looking for a way to make some extra income for you and your family, and you're ready for your big break. You're tired of your job, or even don't want to have one at all, and want to get paid daily instead of every 2 weeks. It's all set up for you inside. Click below and see for yourself just how effective this system really is. This is a global opportunity, helping people from all over the world generate an extra income working from home with nothing but a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop or cell phone. The choice is now yours. Will you invest a few dollars in a couple of minutes now to potentially change your life forever? Or keep procrastinating and getting what you've been getting? Get more out of life and live it on your own terms. It's your golden ticket to success.
Kind of see what you'll have access to, guys. You're going to get the step-by-step training. That's number 1. You're going to be plugged into the Facebook group. Number 2, you're going to be given everything you need, okay, to succeed with this program. Of course, I cannot guarantee you what you're going to make because I don't know your worth ethics, right? I don't know if you're going to actually follow everything we're telling you to do. We don't know if you're going to be consistent with it. It all depends on you, okay, how much action you take. But the tools are here that you need to succeed. Now, if you've been following me, most people have that know me, I post different things, right? Pictures, words, statements, whatever. That's attraction marketing. So people will take heed to that and go, well, what is this all about? And they're going to click a link or they're going to go to a website. I'm just directing people where they need to go. I'm just a glorified tour guide. That's all you're going to be. So if we're giving you what you need to post, just post it. That's it. Copy and paste, okay? If you got access to a smart device, a Wi-Fi connection, and you can copy and paste, you can do this business, of course, with consistency, as such as anything else in life, right? So let's get access to the members area so you can see what you will have access to, all right? You can see I'm in my members area, and right here, this is just an example. I'm just giving you some basic information. Here, I'm in the members area, and right here it tells you here's 200 ads and 60 bonus image ads. These are pictures. We have verbiage. Look at all the verbiage that you can post to grab people's attention. You see this is going on and 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 on. Okay? All the way down, and you see the pictures. That all this is included in your members area. So you're not going to have to guess, well, what should I say? I have no idea what I'm supposed to be saying. We even have a step-by-step daily method of operations. What should I be doing every day? Okay, this is going to help you through this, so you're not going to have to figure it out or guess what you should be doing. This system allows you to earn $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and $300 commissions any way you want. Okay, we don't have any delays here, no withdrawal issues, any of that stuff, because you're going to be paid member to member directly from the person that signs up with you. All right, however you want to get paid: Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, cash, credit card, debit card, crypto. It's up to you. You just set it up in the profile. I'll help you with onboarding to show you how to set this stuff up, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so here's the members area. All right, now you're going to select which training package you would like to have. It's a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees. And then on top of that, there's a one-time administration fee. Okay, that's going to be for your website. And the reason you're paying for the website is because it's customized. It's going to have your picture on it, your social media links, your phone number. Okay, so it's customized, not generic. So that way, if someone does have a question, they can reach out to you personally. Okay, so you want that. Trust me when I tell you, because if somebody has a question, they can't get an answer, they just move on. Okay, so you don't want to leave any money on the table. So anyway, one time $39. Now over here is all the training. Don't be overwhelmed. This is just information here. You're going to just pace yourself. Step 1, intro. Step 2, learn how to create your sales funnel. Okay, and I'll be here to assist you as well. How to get more sales faster with paid traffic. I love paid advertising. That way I don't have to pester people I know. I don't have to tell anybody I know. All I need to do is post my ads on a free platform and do paid advertising. That's it. And that's how I get folks to sign up, as well as my email list. That's it. That's the secret sauce. And being consistent. How to grow your list fast every month and get more sales. What to say when they ask you for information. Winning mindset. The art of persuasion and influence. Of course, there's the pre-written ads. How to upgrade. They tell you that in here. If you decide, hey, well, I want to come in at this level and I want to upgrade, the instructions is here. 7-day action plan. That's what I was speaking of. What to do each day. How to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. Facebook marketing mastery. Craigslist marketing. Instagram marketing. YouTube automation. TikTok marketing. Automate your business with your 6-figure system. Extra bonus hotel and restaurant discount voucher. Alright guys, so you get access to all this stuff. Good stuff. And what I recommend is I say pick one method. Stick with that. Whatever you're comfortable with, stick with that until you see results. Then add another layer of another method. Okay? Alright, so that's how that goes. So let's go check out the training options so you can decide where you want to get started. Alright? Alright. The starter level is $50, guys, and then you got your one-time $39 for the website, which I just mentioned to you, right? So here's what's included. Everything is here. Alright? The marketing ads, you get 30 of those. Winning mindset formula, which is what I read to you earlier. 7-day fast action, Facebook, 30 Facebook groups. The groups, okay, what these groups are, guys, these groups, you want to click the link that you're provided, and they're going to give you 30 different Facebook groups where there are people that's interested in making money. Thousands of people in these groups. So you're going to have access to 30 of them with this package. All you need to do is request to be in the group, and then you can post the ads that's provided to you in the training. Craigslist marketing strategy, and of course Facebook group support. Okay, with the team, everybody that's in this program will be in that Facebook group, so you have support if you run into any questions you need to ask. So that's called the starter level. So it'll be $89 to get that one, and you're able to earn $50 commissions over and over and over every time someone purchases this training from your link. The next package is the elite level. It's $150 plus the $39, so $189. Okay, and this one has a little bit more training in it. Okay, basically that's what it is. You get more. The more you invest, the more you have access to. So instead of 30 ads over here, you've got 100, and of course everything else I named over there, and then some. Over here you have Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation, how to create your 6-figure automated funnel. Those are some trainings that you don't have over here in the $50 training. Okay, now by the way, when you join the elite training, you're going to also have access to promote the starter level. So now you got 2 levels of income. The $50, you can earn 50 over and over. You can earn 150 over and over. Okay, if you go all in and get the pro level, which is the one I have, the 6-figure blueprint, you can earn on all 3 levels. Okay, and you get way, way more over here. So over here, I get 200 ads. Okay, and in addition to everything I mentioned earlier, We've got 30 email follow-up, close your sales on autopilot. So you get 30 email templates, okay, that you can send to people. TikTok marketing is over here in this training. Get access to our VIP training live chat. 30 days of email marketing training. Automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy. Live trainings, exclusive bonus. And then, of course, the extra bonus, hotel and restaurants, discounts, and vacation voucher. All right, so you get in where you fit in, okay? But again, the pro level allows you to leave no money on the table because you'll have access to earn on all of these, okay? So $300 a day is nothing to sneeze at, guys. All right, what is that? Let's take a look. Let's get our handy dandy out. 300 if you made one sale, okay, in a day. Let's say somebody went to work 8 hours. Well, we're gonna do it this way. That's 37.5 an hour. You can make that just like that because it's in people are all over the world, right? Millions of people. 37.5 an hour. All right. So guess what? You can earn as much as possible. I mean, there's no limit. There's no cap. You know, I've had days where someone came in and bought a $50 training, a $150, and a $300 in one day. You just never know what people are going to buy when they're going to buy it, right? So, instant commissions. That's what I love about it here. Affiliate marketing, member to member. Okay, means there's no company, there's no middleman in the middle saying, hey, let me collect the money and I'm going to pay you when I get ready to pay you. And rug pull. We don't have that in affiliate marketing. So this is a great alternative. If we got folks out here that's sick of the rug pull, this is an alternative. I have both. I like both, guys. This is the active program where you have to do some work, market a little bit. People sign up. You make 100% commissions right there on the spot. And then I like the DeFi side, the passive side, where I don't have to do any work. Just park my crypto and the company will make funds for me, right? But over here, it's a little different, but it's a great balance. Okay, this is always going to be my #1 way. This is just one of the affiliate programs I'm a part of. I've been actually promoting this since 2021. Okay, that shows you these platforms, these programs, they're here. Okay, no rug pulls here. So as long as you promote it and someone signs up, you will earn. And then also we'll have one-on-one support. You'll have one-on-one support with me. And I'll share with you my resources I use as well, where I do also paid advertising. Okay, where you can just purchase visitors, traffic is what we call it, and get those folks that's interested in making money over to your website and let them make their own decisions at their leisure. All right, that way you don't bug people. You don't have to ask people, hey, can you join my business? Hey, can you look at it? We don't have to do any of that if you market the right way. And I'll be happy to show you how it's done. All right, guys, that's how we do it. All right, so if you're interested in getting started with this particular program, the link is www.thecopypastemethod.com. It's in the description. You're going to go down, you're going to make your selection. Okay, you're going to click, yes, I want instant payments, because that's what you're going to be getting. And you're going to see the 3 levels here. All right, and I have it where you can pay with a debit card or credit card or Cash App. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. All right, go check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me if you're serious about doing this. I'm only interested in working with serious people, not the curious, but the serious. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.